Unitedlex is a global solutions provider. We deliver business impact in the legal services space. We believe that our employees and managers need to be very empowered to be able to deliver to the customers as they require. We also believe in managing by fact and data. We're very client-centric, and therefore we want to make sure that the managers and employees have very easy access to information and data. Global tools like these help provide that, as well as not spend a lot of time on non-value-added activity or transactions that technology can take care of. Any global effort like this needs a lot of focused planning and execution. To my mind, there are three prime areas. The first, internal stakeholder alignment. The second, very focused change management process. And the third, a strong implementation partner. We made sure right from the beginning that our internal stakeholders were well bought in and aligned to this process. It made a difference to them to see different tools and be able to decide which one works for them best. We also wanted to make sure that the team behind this whole process was very strong in project management. Two, we wanted to make sure that a big process like this has a lot of thinking in place for managing change. We thought of putting in a lot of communication for our employees and other stakeholders for them to embrace this change very naturally. And the third, our implementation partner. We went through very rigorous methodologies to assess and find the right partner. We finally settled with Hexaware. We never looked back. Hexaware put forward a very strong team, very professional, solution oriented, and they worked with us hand in hand day and night. It was a great experience. Change management, both with HR and with employees. Any organization going through such a big implementation at a global level would face an issue on this. Despite training and retraining, new processes, self-service, getting rid of manual processes and following a laid down process has been challenging for employees and people in HR. We continue to train, retrain, build very easy self-service manuals, put stuff on our intranet, get people to come into training rooms so that they continue to keep following the new way of doing things. It is a challenge to let go of the old and start with something new. Change is the only constant. At Unitedlex, we recognize that. After Go Live, we took support from Hexaware to be our support and maintenance partner for a full year. They taught us everything that we needed to know. Our relationship with Hexaware is very strong, and we are confident of their support on a day-to-day basis whenever we need it. Unitedlex believes in continuous evolution, upwards all the way. Engagement is very close to our heart. We've been partnering with the Great Place to Work for 4 years now. Openness, transparency, respect, camaraderie, creating impact, these are key things for us, and they are very important to us. One of the big movers this year was the employee response to the question, performance here is fairly evaluated. We had an 80% yes that really showed a big movement towards transparency and fairness. On domain upskilling, 95% employees said yes to I receive training and development to grow myself professionally. Talent management and 9-box evaluations has also shown significant interest in managers this year. Analytics and reports are real-time, no longer manual, and no longer time-consuming. Lots of non-value-added work removed, automated, processes are so much more efficient, resulting in putting people in front of the business. We finally settled with Hexaware. We never looked back. And they worked with us hand in hand day and night.